Hi, Warner kindergarten and first grade parents. This is Mrs. Mazza. I'm the reading specialist at Warner School. Your teachers have been working really hard at making sure that your children have lessons up remotely for them to learn from. And I just want to first say that we really appreciate all that you're doing to make sure that your children keep learning because it's so important. I thought maybe you might be interested in finding out about another game, really simple game that you could play with your children that would really help them with their sight words. First of all, there's a difference between sight words and words that can be sounded out. Words that can be sounded out are usually 3-4-letter words that have letters that don't play any tricks on the kids. They sound exactly the way the children learned that they would sound. For example, the word fit. The F is going to say f, the I is going to say I, and the T is going to say t. Fit. No tricks. Then we have sight words. Sight words are a little more difficult because sight words don't follow the rules. Letters aren't going to say all the time what the children have learned that they usually say. So we usually have them study their sight words. The way they study their sight words with us is we hold up a card with the word on it, an index card, and we have them say the word, spell the word, say the word. We do that 3 times. Say, spell, say. Say, spell, say. Say, spell, say. And hopefully with enough practice, they start to learn these sight words. One of the games that you can play with them that I thought might be fun is a game that I put together on a document that you'll be able to find if you go to our website and you look for my web page. I think it says Mrs. Mazza's Reading. You'll find a document where all of the sight words for set 1 and set 2 can be found on a template like this. And then some set 3 and set 4 words, and maybe even some set 5 words. First graders should probably be looking for sight words that are on templates that have set 3, 4, and 5. Kindergarten students might want to use sight words that are found on the template that say set 1 and 2. So it's a pretty simple game. You can by the way, you can leave this shining right up on the screen because you'll be able to see it on the screen when you open it up on my page, or you can print it out if you want to, but you don't need to print it out. So the object of the game is if you have a die at home or a dice, you're going to roll the dice and you're going to figure out which number it lands on. If it happens to land on, let's say, a 4, the children will find the column that has the number 4 in it, and they'll read the sight words for you that are in column number 4. Now, if you know, a dice will have 6 sides, not just 5. So if you land on 6, I'm going to call that lucky number 6. In that case, your child can read any column they want, read diagonally, pick 6 words that they know and read them. The sky's the limit. Whatever you think you could do with that lucky number 6, you go ahead and have them do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this game, and it's just another way to keep your child learning and engaged. Thanks a lot. Hope all is well.